Hello everybody, this is Sachin Jadhav. Welcome you to my channel. Now I am going to show you how to make a biodata in MS Word. If you like my video, hit the like button, click on the subscribe button, tap the bell icon to get more notification. The top margin like this. After that, by clicking on page layout menu bar, you can click on page border block. Here you can see none, box, shadow, 3D custom page borders. Click on box. Here you can change colors. Here you can change width. Then OK, you can see page border. After that, by clicking on insert menu bar, you can select picture block, insert. Here you can add your recent pic. Here you can change images format like this. Gmail space colon address space colon contact number space colon. Here you can type your Gmail ID. Here you can type address. Here you can type your contact number. By selecting all, click on bold block. Move like this, enter space bar. Enter. After that, by clicking on borders and shading, here you can select shadow. Here you can fill the background color like this. Here you can type personal details. By selecting all, click on bold, increase font size. Here you can change font style. Here you can change font color like this. By selecting bullets, here you can type your name space. Here you can type your name, gender, date of birth, here you can type place. Select all, click bold, enter, back, enter, back. Again by selecting borders and shading, click on shadow. Here you can fill the background color. Here you can type education qualification. By select all, bold. Here you can change font color like this. Again by selecting bullets, you can type 10th passed from. Here you can type which space in. Here you can type in which year, space at. Here you can type in which city. 12th passed from. Here you can type college name. In which year. Here you can type year, space at. Here you can type city. Again enter graduate passed from. Here you can enter college name. In. Here you can enter here, add place. If you have completed your postgraduate, then you can add your postgraduate. Passed from which college, space in which year, space at which city, then enter back, enter backspace. Again by selecting borders and shading, click on shadow, OK. Fill the background color like this. Here you can type experience. If you have experience, then you can type experience, otherwise you skip this. Again by selecting bullets, I have 2 and, for example I am typing I have 2.5 years experience in private sector. Here you can type your company name. Again by selecting borders and shading, you can click on shadow, fill the background color like this. Here you can type hobbies. By selecting all bold, here you can fill font color. Again by selecting bullets, you can type your hobbies. For example, I'm typing watching TV like this. Here you can add your hobbies, enter. Again by selecting borders and shading, click on shadow, fill the background color. Here you can type technical skills, select all, bold, fill the font color. By selecting bullet, here you can type your technical skills. For example, I'm typing Windows 7, 8, 10. Operating systems. You can type your technical skills. Again by selecting borders and shading, click on shadow, fill the background color like this. Here you can type declaration, select this, click on bold, fill the font color. Again by selecting bullets, here you can add declaration. I solemnly declare that all the above information is correct to belief of my knowledge. Thanks for watching.